Hello guys, so this is the current situation of the kitchen. I'm going to be doing the cleaning. It's in the morning. I'm going to be doing the cleaning of the shelf, upper cupboard, and the entire kitchen in general, because everything is everywhere. It's literally disorganized. So guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Let's begin with the organizing of this kitchen. So guys, there is something I wanted to tell you. So guys, a few days ago, my house manager she said they had a burial that was on the season of Christmas. Some of people tell me, when I tell them this story, they say that whenever they go, they don't come back, but it's okay. So I've been taking everything around the house because I've been in the house for like the all of last month, December. So when I was going through my utensils in the kitchen, I've just noticed that I don't have cups, I don't have glasses, I don't have anything. First of all, I don't have clothes because she 5 pairs of my trousers and tops, and I did not even notice. She took my tops, my trousers, my husband's sweaters and some shoes, and I did not notice. Now that she have gone for like after 1 week, when she left is when I realized that these things are missing. So I'm currently in the house and I want to do some cleaning in the kitchen. I've noticed that I don't have cups. Like for this cup, a cup like this, I only have this one, and it was a set of 6. One broke and I had 5. Now it's only this one that I have, and let's check with you guys. So guys, up here is where I store my extra utensils. Right now I don't have, you see, like this cup, it was in a pair of, they were 6, and now it's only this one which is remaining in the entire house. And I'm not lying, as in sina hizo vikombe, sina, sijui zilivunjika ama zilienda wapi. So imebakia tu hii moja, hii zilikuwa 2, sijui kama ilipasuka. Hii imebakia tu hii moja. So I don't know what to say. Life goes on. Before she left, she told me that her grandma has passed on. So with that piece, she left. So after ameenda, no, she told me in her culture, lazima kuwe hapo juu this grandma mamake alimwachia shosho yake akiwa mdogo. So this grandma ndiye take care of her when she was young, and so she had to go. First of all, she says she don't have to go to the burial, and I asked her, are you sure you don't want to go? Because umesema this is the shosho mwenye alikulea we. Wase ki English ni ngumu ku explain, to explain na Kiswahili. So huyu mdem alinishow mama ya mamake ameaga. So mimi akaniambia ataenda but atarudi, which I was okay with it. Mimi sikuwa najua mdem ameshajipanga anaenda na harudi. Before that already alikuwa ameshachukua vitu hapa, sikuwa najua. So when aliniambia shosho yake ameaga, mimi nikamwambia utaenda tu burial, and we were okay with that. Then akaniambia pana, I don't have to go to the burial, mamangu ameniambia ningoje kwanza, utaniambia way forward, and I was okay with it. And then after some days akaniambia sasa imebadilika tena, kuna tambiko nafaa kufanyiwa juu huyu shosho alinilea nikiwa mdogo, niliishi na yeye, and I was okay with that too, because huwezi kataa mtu aende mazishi ya shosho yake ama ya mtu wao ama yoyote burial, and I was okay with that. So after ameenda, after 2-3 days akanipigia simu, hey, yes, I had given her a salary of that month, and I had topped her with 2k na nikamfanyia ka shopping, viatu mpya mini viatu from my shop. So after she has gone, ndio nakuja kurealize kuna vikombe, hakuna manguo na hayuko, hawezi patikana. So I called, "Hey, kukwaje, are you coming back?" Akasema sawa, "Yes, I'll be coming back." Hakukuja. Mpaka wale hawajakuja. So guys, I'm going to be doing this video with you. I want to clean. So by the way, I'll be going to the market to get some new cups. But for now, because it's January and January is January, I'm going to be using the cups that I have. But sooner I will have to get some new cups. So guys, let's get to work. So guys, I just wanted to take you along as I clean the kitchen. Let's start the cleaning. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are on 330 subscribers. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Road to 400 subscribers, and I really appreciate you so much, with much love. I really appreciate you. So guys, we are done with the wiping of these shelves. So we are going to return the things here, but we have to clean them so that we return them back here when they are clean. So let's get into wiping them before I rearrange them back on the shelf.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it soft.
Everything that was up on the shelves. here. So let's clean them faster before we return them back there.